Okay, the Darche awning has arrived. We're going to put it on the car very shortly. Should be a fun job. Because I have Prorack roof bars, I've got the awning brackets for the Prorack. That's them. Should facilitate a easy install. Tools needed are just a tape, 6mm Allen key and a 10mm spanner, that's it. Alright, now I'm using the standard Darche things that come in the box. You need these T-nuts, you need them. They're in the Prorack kit, so that's good enough. I have to go there's 4 holes, I have to go the second and the last, second and the fourth holes from the outside. And that'll end up right. Need a couple of spaces to clear that gizmo. That sits up a few mil, so I've got a couple of 5/16 washers. What are they? Those ones. Okay, they're 5/16. 8mm or something. That'll do. Okay, brackets are in place. Front and rear. Trying to bolt up the awning, see how it goes. Okay, the Darche awning is on. All tightened up, go and test her out. Well, there it is, the awning's up. Looks alright. Just a quick job for now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Bye.